Hello friends. So I've decided to go for a walk in the rain. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but because it's raining we might not see as many of my friends. Also, I might move the camera every now and again when a person on a bike comes by. Let's see if we can find my friends. Today's snacks: monkey nuts and some uncovered nuts. Basically peanuts with a shell and without. Let's see if we can find my friends. I did hear a crow cawing. Sometimes they like to hide behind me. Caw, caw, caw! That's right, I do speak crow. Don't know what I'm speaking, but it seems to not offend them because they like to come. Hello, welcome, Horror. How are you today? It is a rainy, grey day in Scotland. Admire the graffiti art. I think we might be low on friends today, but that's okay. They'll get their snaps later or tomorrow. My name is Jimmy, by the way. Hello, Jimmy. Welcome. How is your day going today, Jimmy? I've decided to go for a little walk in the rain. The only downside is I might not see many of my friends. There's loads of squirrels. They might be brave in the rain, but I think they're all very wise and they're in their beds because normally I would have seen them by now. Yeah, I'm good, thank you. I'm a bit tired. I'm a chronic insomniac that tries not to be. Oh no, there's my friends. Or some of them anyway. There's also a person, so hopefully on the way. Oh no, I think I just saw one of my friends up on a roof. Welcome those that are joining in. Oh yeah, I can see the rain in the sky. The rain's kind of eased off a bit, but yeah, Jimmy, I'm good. Bit tired. Is it Friday already? No, it's all good. I'm going to go to a fitness class later. And get my exercise on. You can hear that random noise. It was a guy running with his bike. That's the kind of fitness he's doing. There's a few people up ahead, so I'm going to have a little seat over here. Sometimes my buddies come join me. I'll put some food down for them before I do that. Like I say, it's been quite cold and wet. They might not join us today. Or not as many anyway. Definitely not seen as many squirrels. But sometimes I find they're behind me. I saw a magpie. Welcome everyone joining. I'm just having a seat here. I've got some monkey nuts, peanuts in general. Decided to go for a little walk in nature. Just a few people passing, so I'll wait for them to pass. Oh, I can see a magpie. How's everyone doing today? How's your Monday? Hello, welcome, one and all. How does I pronounce your name? Your name? Is it Hayateem? Did I get that right or did I absolutely butcher it? Welcome Mary, welcome nature lover. Where am I from? I'm from Scotland. I'm currently in Scotland. I'm on a little bike path that I like to walk, where I feed the birds. But 99% of the time it rains in Scotland, which it's currently raining just now, in case you can't tell from the ASMR sounds in the background. And anytime I put the camera down, it's because people are passing either on a bike or walking. So my birdie friends are most likely nesting. I haven't seen any on my walk. I've seen a few in the background. Oh, no, I just saw a magpie. Welcome all that are joining. And welcome to rainy Scotland. How's everyone's day so far? The rain, of course, has decided to get heavier as I sat down. I was coming out for a walk, so the great thing about skin is it's waterproof. There we go, there's one of the magpies that's keen. It's waterproof. There we go, there's one of the magpies that's keen. Welcome all. Welcome to rainy Scotland. Just sitting here hoping for some birdie friends. But seeing as the rain has gotten heavier, I highly doubt it. Do you have friends? At least in the animal world anyway. How's everyone's Monday? I can see some of the magpies in the distance. Today's food of choice is peanuts in and out of shell. For those, oh, there's a squirrel. Oh, I just missed it. There it is. Just run across the path. It's because there's somebody coming with their dog. So it's like, ah, dog. But, what was I going to say? Yeah, so in case you don't know, the corvid birds, they like to cache their food. So caching, it's just a bird way of saying feeding. And they particularly like the monkey nuts and the monkey nuts, which is basically peanuts in a shell, for anyone that's not in the UK. The UK, that's what we like to call them. There's loads of people passing by on bikes and foot, in case you're wondering. For those that have just joined, oh, I can see some in the distance. Try not to get the person in there. Whenever I put my phone down, it's because I don't want to include randoms. Pretty sure they don't want to be included either. How is everyone's Monday going so far? I'm currently getting soaked. So I'm going to stay on for a few more minutes. Because I'm very confident that this is the max attention I'm going to get with my friends today. But what would be great, especially for any of our new followers, is on my last video, feel free to leave any comments of things that you'd like to see on lives. I'm going to start doing lives more often. And would you like to see more nature walks? I quite often go to the beach. I like to feed the birds there. And there's a few other things I'm thinking of doing. Currently on a fitness journey. I like to call it shape-shifting rather than weight loss, because as most of you probably know, when you're losing or gaining weight in a constructive way, I suppose, if you're constructively looking to gain weight, like say if you're a fitness bodybuilder, that was the word I was looking for, then you're doing it with a purpose. Then your body can change shape, but your weight can stay almost the same. So that's what I like to refer to as shape-shifting, rather than weight loss, turning fat into muscle. I can hear my crow friends, just not seen them today. I can see a few of them. I'm going to start walking back. There's less people as well. There we go. Let's zoom in so you guys can see them. Oh, so on the bike. Also get quite fuzzy when I zoom in. No surprise. But yeah, so I'm considering doing more lives. I would definitely love to hear what you would like to see, within reason, of course. Don't be weird. Oh, squirrel in a tree. I don't know if you can see them. Let me see if I can zoom in. No. And yeah, walks in nature. Hey buddy. There's one of my friends. They're so cute when they see me. They do little arms. Being like, you give me snacks? Hey buddy, you want a snack? I've seen them fight over me as well. I say fight, push a squirrel out of the way so they get the snacks. Hi buddy, you want a snack? Ah yeah you do, come on. Hello, how you doing? Yeah. And off he goes with his little monkey nut. I threw that one nowhere near him. So he's like, I'm not going near that. It's too close to you, human. Lost him, there he is. Off he goes. We'll see if we can find some more squirrels before I stop the live, but I will be stopping it in a couple of minutes, so feel free to ask me any questions here. Welcome all those that have joined, for those that might have missed. Anything that you would like to see in the future, either on lives or any questions, then go to my current post, my current video, and ask questions there, leave suggestions. Anytime I'm putting the camera down, it's not because I'm not aware, it's just because there's people walking past. There's a person with their dog, in case you were like, what's that clacking? Click, click. Goes your heels. But yeah, I think we're maxed out from my friends for the day. They're very wisely tucked up in their little houses, staying warm. Although, I did leave snacks and I got eaten, so I'll leave them somewhere before I head off. I hope you all have something nice planned for the rest of the day and week. Till I see you next time. Yeah, I think I'll end it where we started. We can admire the graffiti. Always got to check when you cross the road, even when it's a bike path, so you don't get squished by a bike. So yes, thank you for joining. For those that have just joined, thank you. I'm logging off now. Feel free to put any comments on my latest video of anything that you'd like to see in the future, on lives, any questions, any sort of places you'd like me to go for my nature walks, and wishing you a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.